Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Students, this is part 3 of the chapter Heron's formula. In this part 3, we will go for learning applications of the Heron's formula. Coming to the application of Heron's formula, it is generally used in finding the areas of quadrilaterals. How to find the area of a quadrilateral? See children, if at all you want to find out area of a quadrilateral, you must know the length of 4 sides and one of its diagonal. If you know the length of 4 sides and one of its diagonal, then you can go for finding the area of the quadrilateral using Heron's formula. Let me explain you with the help of example. Here, find the area of the quadrilateral if its sides and diagonal are given as follows. You could observe here, it is quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Though it looks like two triangles, definitely it is a quadrilateral, and AC is a diagonal which is actually dividing quadrilateral ABCD into two scalene triangles or two separate triangles. Now, if at all I want to find out area of this quadrilateral ABCD, it is very easy finding area of a individual triangles, then add them up, that will give us area of the quadrilateral. That is how the application of Heron's formula come into picture. Now, here it is easy to find the area of right triangle ABC by using half BH formula, because here we know both the perpendicular legs and we know even hypotenuse of that. Next, suppose if this hypotenuse would have been not given, only angle would have been given, then also what I can do? I will use Pythagoras theorem to find the hypotenuse length. From that I can find the area of now triangle ACD. Triangle ACD is a scalene triangle with the sides 15 centimeter, 41 centimeter and 28 centimeters. Now, let us go for solution. Given the sides of the quadrilateral, AB 9 centimeter, BC 40 centimeter, DC for 28 centimeter and AD 15 centimeter, diagonal is AC 41 centimeter, that you know how to find if at all not given also. Because of this right angle we can find out. Here triangle ABC is a right angled triangle, so its area will be half base into height, thus half into 9 into 40, it gives you 180 centimeter square is the area of the triangle ABC, right angled triangle provided. Okay. Now, moving on to the area of triangle ADC, that we have to find out with the help of Heron's formula only, where we will find out semi-perimeter. What is a semi-perimeter here? I am having, if you observe this figure, I am taking 28, 15, 41. These three as A, B, C of the Heron's formula. Okay. Here in this Heron's formula, A, B, C are 15, 28 and 41, and from that semi perimeter is 42 centimeter, and thus area of triangle ADC is, substituting 42, 15, 28 and 41, we get 42 into next 27 into next 14 into 1. So, 42 into 27 into 14 into 1. Now, most of the children were having doubt how to find out square root of this. See children, I will first make them into prime factorization. From this prime factorization, I will see that square root of them found, as we learnt in class 8th, per pair of prime numbers 1 1 will be taken out. So, for this pair of 3, 1 3 comes out. For this pair of 2's, 1 2 comes out. For this pair of 3's, 1 3 comes out. For the pair of 7, 7 comes out. Now, the product of 7 into 2 into 3 into 3 gives 126 centimeter square. Now, you know the area of triangle ADC and triangle ABC. Sum of them will give you area of the quadrilateral ABCD, which is 180 plus 126 is 306 centimeter square. This is how we find the area of quadrilateral. Okay, when we know 4 sides and one of its diagonal. Okay. Now, moving on to the further, I will discuss with you example 4, 5, 6 of the textbook in this today's session, and we will go for learning exercise 12.2, which is based on this application of Heron's formula in our next session. So, example number 4. Here example number 4. Kamala has a triangular field with sides 240 meter, 200 meter, 360 meter, where she grew wheat. In another triangular field with the sides 240 meter, 320 meter and 400 meter, adjacent to the previous field, she wanted to grow potatoes and onions. So, here is the figure shown. She divided the field in 2 parts, the field in 2 parts. That means, in the triangle ACD, she is dividing it into 2 parts. By joining the midpoint of the longest side, that means this is the midpoint, correct? This is the midpoint, that means these 2 sides are equal. AE is equals to ED. To the opposite vertex, this is C, it is drawn, and grew potatoes in one part, onion in another part. Okay. So, potatoes and onions. How much area in hectares has been used for wheat? That means here is the wheat, potatoes and onions. This is the question. Okay. Now, see children, this AD, which is a 400 meter divided into 2 equal parts, that means 200 and 200. One method is finding the area of individually 3 triangles. The other method is there, finding the area of triangle ABC, that you know how to do using Heron's formula. Okay. So, area of triangle ABC. So, area of a triangle ABC we will find with the Heron's formula, S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where we know A as 360 meter, B as 200 meters, C as 240 meters, that is AB, BC, AC length. Now, with the help of ABC, I will find out semi-perimeter. Sum of 360, 200 and 240 becomes 800. So 800 by 2 is 400 is semi-perimeter. Now substituting them here, root under 400 into 400 minus 360 is 40, 400 minus 200 is 200, 400 minus 240 is 160. So root under 400 into 40 into 200 into 160. Now first I am taking this 400 into 40 into 200 into 160 as 4 into 100 for 400, 40 I am writing it as 4 into 10, this 200 I am writing it as 2 into 100, and 160 I am writing it as 16 into 10. Now for this 100, 10 will come out because it is a square number or a perfect square. For this 100, one more 10 will come out, and for this 10 into 10, one 10 will come out. For this 4, which is a perfect square, 2 will come out. For this 16, which is a perfect square, 4 will come out. Now into amongst these, again for this 4, 1 2 will come out. Amongst these numbers, 2 is non-perfect square which will remain inside the square root. So 10 into 10 into 10 is 1000, 2 into 4 into 2 is 16. So 16,000 times or into 200 meter square is the area of triangle ABC. Suppose if you convert it into hectare, that is 10,000 square meter is 1 hectare. So this 16,000 divided by 10,000 gives 1.6 into root 2 meter square. If I substitute the value of root 2, 1.6 into 1.414 is the value of root 2. You found it in class 8. How to find also you know, using bar method, long division type. So if you calculate this, you will get 2.26 hectare. Sorry, here I have to write hectare, not square, it is hectare. So 2.26 hectare will be the area of triangle ABC. Now moving on to the area of triangle ACD. So we will find out area of triangle ACD with the same Heron's formula, S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. What are A, B, C? One is 240 meter, that we have already got, 240 meter, and another is 320, and third dimension is, our third side is 400 meter. So 320 and 400. So from this I will find out semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is 960, this sum ABC, divided by 2, which gives 480 meter as a semi-perimeter. So by substituting them, root under 480 into 480 minus 240 is 240, 480 minus 320 is 160, 480 minus 400 is 80. Now this 480 into 240, we will first write them as 480 can be written as 10 into 48 is 4 4 is 16, 16 3 is So 4 into 4 into 3. Next 240 can be written as 10 into 4 into 3 into 2. It is 24. 16 is 10 into 16. Next 80 is further 16 into 5. Now here one thing we can do, even this 80 can also be written as 8 into 10. So 10 once, twice, thrice, 4 times. So 4 times 10 will give 2 times, that is 100 comes out. Now here one pair of 4 will give 1 4 outside, one pair of 3 gives 1 3 outside, this 4 gives 1 2 outside because it's a perfect square, this 16 gives 4 outside, it's a perfect square. Now I am left with here 2 into 8. This 2 into 8 is again 16. It is a perfect square only. So it gives 4 outside. So nothing is left inside of the square root. All the factors have come out. So now product of this is, we have got 38,400 meter square. Now if I convert it into hectare, it becomes 3.84 hectare. So we have area of triangle ACD becoming 3.84 hectares. Children, but in that 3.84 hectare, half is used for doing crop of, or taking a crop of potatoes, another onion, half. Why I said half? This median, we call median, okay, joining a vertex and midpoint of its opposite side forms a median. Median of a triangle divides area of it into two equal parts. That means area of a ECD is equals to area of AEC. Here area of ACD by 2, okay, area of ACD by 2 will be the area of triangle AEC and area of triangle DEC also. So it is nothing but 3.84 by 2 gives 1.9 1.9 1 9 2 so 1.92 hectares will be the area of AEC and DEC. Now the question number or example number 5. Moving on to the example number 5. Students of a school staged a rally for cleanliness campaign. They walked through the lanes in two groups. One group walked through the lanes A, B, B, C, that is A, B, B, C and C A back. Another group, while the other group walked through AC, CD and DA. So then they cleaned the area enclosed within their lanes. Now they gave you the length of AB, BC, CD and AD. and angle B is given, just like the question which I discussed with you in the beginning of this session. So 940, definitely you know how to find using Pythagoras theorem AC length. Okay. Which group cleaned more area and by how much? Find the total area cleaned by the students, neglecting the width of the lanes. Okay. So by Pythagoras theorem, in the right triangle ABC, AC is the square root of AB and AB square and BC square. Here square root of 9 square plus 40 square, it gives square root of 81 plus 1600, which is nothing but 1681, which gives you 41 meter. Now you know the length of AC, right? Now we can go for finding area of triangle ABC. Since it is a right angled, it's a right triangle, we will use half base into height formula. Half base I can consider 40 into 9, so gives 180 meter square as the area of triangle ABC. Then with the help of AC measure, I can find area of triangle ADC. So I will use 28, 15 and 41 as ABC in Heron's formula. So to find area of triangle ADC, which is a scalene triangle, we will use S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C formula. So using length of all three sides, 28 meter, 15 meter and 41 meter, which we found newly. 28, 15 and 41. I will find semi perimeter. So sum of 28, 15 and 41 gives you 84 by 2 will be the semi perimeter. Substituting that value here, S minus A, 42 minus 28 will give you 14. S minus B, 42 minus 15 will be 27. S minus C, 42 minus 41 is 1. Now substituting them here, root under 42 into 14 into 27 into 1. Now you can write 42 as 7 into 3 into 2. 14 can be written as 7 into 2, 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3. So square root of 7 into 7, 2 into 2 and 3 for 4 times multiplied by itself. So square root of a pair of 7 gives 1 7, a pair of 2 gives 1 2, 3 multiplied by itself for 4 times gives twice 3 outside of the square root. Now the product of this 7 to 14, 14 into 9 is 126 meter square. This is the area of triangle ADC. Now the question comes here, find the which group cleaned more, by how much. You know, here group 1, that is first group, cleaned 180 meter and second group cleaned 126 meter. Therefore, we say first group cleaned more area by, okay, they cleaned more by how much is the difference? 180 minus 126 is 54 meter square. This much area they cleaned more. Now the next question is find the total area cleaned by students, neglecting the width of the lens. So next question is total area cleaned. Sum of 180 and 126 is 306 meter square. So this is the total area cleaned. This is how we solve this question. Coming to the sixth example. Here in the example number 6, Sanya has a piece of land which is in the shape of rhombus. Here figure is given, ABCD is a rhombus. She wants her one daughter and one son to work on the land and produce different crops. She divided the land into two equal parts. If the perimeter of the land is 400 meter, that means each side is 100 meter, and one of its diagonal, that is 160 meter. So one of the diagonal is 160 meter. How much area of them will get for their crops? So one is given to the son, another is given to the daughter. So we will find out the area of one of this, and that will be the same area given to daughter also. So to find the area of triangle, let's say ABD, which is a scalene triangle, I will use the same formula, Heron's formula, S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Here A is 100 and B is also 100, whereas C is 160 meter, whereas semi perimeter is sum of this by 2, that is 360 by 2, which gives 180 meter is the semi perimeter. On substitution here, 180 into 180 minus 100 is 80, 180 minus 100 is again 80, and 180 minus 160 is 20. Now for this pair of 80s, 180 will come out, one out of them will come out, into this 180 into 20 can be written as 10 into 3 into 3 into 2, again 20 can be written as 10 into 2, which means for the pair of these 3's 1 3 will come out, for the pair of 2's 1 2 will come out, for the pair of 10's 1 10 will come out, which means now 80 into 3 into 2 into 10 is 4800 meter square is the area of triangle ABD. So how much area each of them will get for their crops can be concluded. The area that each will get is 4800 square meters. Okay. Now see children, we have same question can be solved in alternative way. What is that alternative way? Let me show you. See, I have got rhombus, now in this rhombus of 100 meters side, diagonal length is known, that is 160 meter, and I can go for using one of the important property of diagonal of a rhombus. Diagonal of a rhombus gets bisected perpendicularly. Diagonals of a rhombus gets bisected perpendicularly. So based on that concept, here it must be right angle, and let me say if I take it as a point E, this EB must be 80 and you know already BC is 100 meter and angle BEC is 90 degrees. Therefore in right triangle BEC, by Pythagoras theorem I can find EC. Okay, BC square equals to BE square plus EC square, where BC square is 100 square equals to BE square is 80 square plus EC square. So 10,000 minus 6,400 is EC square. Therefore EC square is 3,600. It implies EC is 60. The moment you got 60 as EC, that means area of triangle BCD we can find by using half into base into height. Why? Because in triangle BCD height is found now as 60 meter, it's perpendicular to BC, sorry, it's perpendicular to BD now. So EC is the height and BD length is the base. So I have to use them. Half into length of BD is 160. EC height we have already found it as 60. So its product also gives you 4,800 square meters. This is one of the alternative method. So with this I have discussed the applications of Heron's formula in finding the area of quadrilaterals. We will solve some more questions from the exercise 12.2 in our next session. Okay, wishing you good luck. Take care of yourself. Jai Hind. Thank you.